How to set adapt sound preference to clear or soft on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. After that, tap on adapt sound. Next, go down, then tap on the settings icon right next to the adapt sound profile. And then go down and tap on sound preference. From the pop-up, you could select between clear or soft. And that's it. Tap on the preview button to have a listen. Then you can listen between personalized and original sound. So select one of the options and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.